Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are here in Fat is Flavor Burger, and this is located in Piña Street, General Santos City. It is one of the newest, I guess, burger joints in the city, and we are here to try their burger. We have ordered Angry Bird, which is grilled marinated chicken, fresh lettuce, sliced pickle, ripe tomatoes, not so secret barbecue sauce. Wow, for only 129 pesos. We also have pulled pork, pork flavor, 119. And we have also buff me up, 169 pesos. And also classic burger. So we are going to try them and we'll see later if it is good. See you. This is the background of the Fat is Flavor Burger. Yes, we're like here in the bukid. We'll try their lemonade. Wow, sarap ng lemonade, oh. It's like lemon, of course, lemonade. Diba, gang no, lemonade from lemon, not apple lade, but lemonade. Nice.
Pulled pork sandwich, classic and angry.
Thank you.
No.
Sarap na. How's the taste na? Soy, sarap soy.